everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you to Teresa. She's a new subscriber, and I've really enjoyed also interacting with True Wants and Glam Goat that are subscribers. Anyone, please just leave a message or an emoji and just kind of interaction. I try to interact. If I don't get back to you right away, then I will. It's just with the, I get busy with the little 9-month-old, but I have for you today my base box. This is unboxing for the Boxycharm base box. Some of these products, I think most of them I tried. There's a couple of them that I haven't. And the theme is Fresh Start, which we all need a fresh start this year after everything we went through in 2020. Okay, the first item I'm going to show you is, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's got Cuvine Dragon Duo. This is eyeliner, has a liquid and a pencil. I do use both. I know some people, they'll say they don't use one or the other, but I do use both. And this is really cute packaging. Look at that. Okay, what it says on this is an inky black pigment in a semi-waterproof formula. Choose using the Dragon Duo. This used Dragon Liner liquid for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner pencil for a softer, like smoky eye. Okay, let's check out the pigmentation. Has a nice little point, and it doesn't skip, and it is very pigmented. So I guess we'll have to see about seeing if it's smudge proof and just do a wear test on that. And then this is the pencil. Is that kind of, and okay, and then this one's not as dark, but it's very nice, creamy, feels creamy. And this retails for $28. Okay, and then I have tried this. This is really glossy. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple Balm. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. B-A-U-M-E Glow Lip Mask. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba, and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep the lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. Retails for $25. And I don't have a lot of lip mask. I have a few. I love Seraphine Botanicals. It's a great vegan company. This, I have Fenty lip, or the gloss balm on, but I'll just show you. It does smell of apples if you didn't get this in your box. And see how glossy that is. Has a nice really shine. So I am happy with this. And then I got the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with moringa and papaya. And you have the choice of getting this or the toner. This is an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. It retails for $38. I love Pharmacy, and I did try this the other night after I had cleansed my face. For dry skin, this really works. I mean, my skin was just so like dry. I could literally just see the dryness, and after I cleansed and I put this on, and by the next day I just like, wow, my skin it didn't have that roughness. but it's something for me. I still have to, of course, moisturize on a regular basis because my skin just gets, it's so dry here, and then right here on my cheeks. So let me show you this. Comes in a nice glass jar. And this, I don't know if anybody's mentioned this. Let me get my glasses. That this product is made exclusively for Boxycharm. It says right there. I noticed that this one, and I think it was the other pharmacy, the toner. So apparently they're making some of these products even though they for pharmacy, so it's something that they, and we've had products in the past that Boxycharm is, they've had companies made it for exclusively for them. This one has the little pull off lid, and see how creamy that is. And it has a really strong, I don't know if it's like a mint, it's a really strong scent. So if you don't really like fragrance, this may not be for you, but it definitely has worked for my skin. Just in using that one day, I will continuously have to keep using it to keep that hydration, but like today it's already dry. But I do recommend this, and Pharmacy is a great brand in general, not just that particular product, but they have amazing products. Okay, and this is my choice item. And I just kind of chose this. I was like, I don't have a micellar water from Boxycharm. This is, I think I bought, I have the over-the-counter one. What is that? Garnier one is the one that I usually use. But this one here is Avant Skincare Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Infused with replenishing ingredients, Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilience and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. And this is $90. $90. Okay, yeah, I won't be repurchasing this unless it's in the add-ons, but I think I probably will just use this up, and they may not, I don't know if they'll, how many times they'll have this in the add-ons and pop-ups, but yeah, it's very expensive, so we'll anxious to see how this works, especially for the benefits, not just removing the makeup, but just the benefits on my skin. And the palette that I received is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $34. Let me see what it says on this. This palette was designed with universal flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas, from creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks, from modern, soft, sultry to seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. Okay, this is a new launch. So, let me show you what this looks like inside. Now this palette, I noticed there was some complaints on this palette about the rain, that there wasn't enough olive green shades. But one thing I noticed that I haven't seen this anybody mentioned in their video, olives are not only green, but there is, I noticed this, to me looks like a black, and there is black olives. So I was thinking, not only did they have the greens, and then when I saw the black one, I was like, why hasn't anybody mentioned the black olive color? That's just my observation, because I thought, well, you know, olives, they do have the greens, but there's also black olives. So I think I did try to, this is pretty creamy. I love their formula. Let me see if I can get, doesn't look like, I think it looks like it's pretty buildable. And then I'll show you one of these in case you didn't get this one. That one looks like, I like them where you can build them up. Sometimes it depends on the color, and maybe even like if it's a shimmery or matte. You know, I look to see if it skips as far as the quality goes, but I love this kind of a range of colors. You can definitely have some different looks with this. So I will try to make another video and just try on the products. But as far as trying them, I did try this out a little bit. I didn't get to finish my look on it. And then I was going to use the Avant, which I didn't get to use. And when I was trying to make the try-on part of this, but I'll make another video. And this one, it looks, felt pretty nice. I definitely enjoyed this for my dry skin. And then this seems to be the liquid is pretty pigmented, and then the pencil is creamy. So I think I'm pretty pleased with my box. I set up my profile as having half and half. I love skincare as much as makeup, but I don't know. I may try to lay off on some of the, may have to update my profile and maybe lay off on some of the skincare, but I don't know. We'll just have to see. But this is a great box for me. I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you received in your box. Also, I still got most of my add-ons, but there's one thing as the mystery box. I had ordered the May 2020, the premium box for the mystery and the add-ons, and I haven't received it yet, but I noticed they picture 3 items, and then, you know, I guess the other one's is going to be the mystery part of it, but I don't know how have your experience been with the mystery boxes? The 3 pictured items, that's what's in the box, and then is it items from that month that will be in there, or I didn't know if it's just random items that are in there. But if you've ordered a mystery box in the add-ons from Boxycharm, just comment below. Let me know if it's just items that have been in that month. That's what it means, and they have the 3, you know, they give you 3 items they show you, but then there's other products in there, or is it just random items that Boxycharm has had? And I'm still waiting for that. And then I'm still waiting for my Marc Jacobs palette. There was one of those that I ordered, but I thank you so much for watching and taking your time to watch my video, and I hope you will continue to watch and stay subscribed and hit that like button to share so others can join us too. Thank you so much. Bye.